What time do the office girls cook this morning tea?
We didn't put the jug on.
Hey?
There's only one on deck. Just close it for me.
Oh, okay. I'll go and put the jug on, he said. But the office girls are useless. They didn't even put the jug on. Where is the jug? Little chainsaw there. A Makita chainsaw by the look of it. I think that's what it is. I'm reading it upside down, but little chainsaw. Did a job for that. That's the boss's seat. On the microwave. Ah, there's the jug. There's the sugar down there and the coffee. To see if it's hot. Right, here's the wood coming down the hopper onto the truck. Here it comes down, look. Coming down onto the truck here. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Down she comes. Amazing. Now this is the breaking down saw. Gerald's going to cut this now. He's just cut that slab off there, you see? Off that log. So that's cut in about 3/4 by the look of it. He rolls that over there, and he's bringing that log across like that. Okay, this is the breaking down saw. Now he knows exactly what to do. Look, he's been doing this for years. The old axe there, and there's a crowbar. He just knows how to do it. Good to see a tradesman working, isn't it? Yep.
My wife brings some half chef.
There's still a bit of labour involved here. It's not all automatic, eh?
What's that for the cost?
Right. Here it goes. We're going to watch this saw go through there. Okay. There it is, cutting that off. Look at that. The breaking down saw. Looking at the breaking down saw. This is the story of New Zealand timber. Ron Bishop's my name, and I'm videoing the story of New Zealand timber. And we're at Scott's Sawmill, and Gerald Scott is just using the breaking down saw here and giving us a demonstration for all you young students that want to get involved with the timber industry. This is how it's done. Rolls it over there, pulls it with the axe. Look at that. Down there, straightens it up. Puts a block in there. Another block in there. This is the way they do it in the sawmill in 2013. A small two-man sawmill. Still a bit of heavy work to do. He's no chicken, Gerald. Right, but he's got a lot of experience. Lot of experience. Look at that. It's all done by eye. Straightens that up. Lever goes in there. He's lining it up for the breaking down. What we'll do is got a good finish. Right out the check. And I'll take a video of you handing me the check. Thanks, Gerald.
Good on you.
Good on you, mate. You've been a great sport. Thank you.
Well done. Good luck.